I made a dough. Didn't record that. If it turns out good, we'll do it. It called for about 3 to 4 cups of flour. I used 1 cup of white whole wheat flour and the rest all-purpose, so let's see how that turns out. Wow. So the dough has risen quite a bit. So now what we'll do is we'll take some of the salted butter, I think, and we'll just slop it in these pans. So, let's use the scale. I think we'll make these 2 ounces. Better get at kilogram mode. Pounds, there we go. And perfect fit. Oh, it will be a perfect fit as soon as I fit it. Guess we didn't need that other pan. Don't have one for the middle either. Oh well. So, I have a damp towel here. We'll cover it for about 30 minutes. So it could do a final rise and shine, and then we'll bake it off and see what we got. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Let's set it for... Ooh, they puffed up. That filled up nicely. So, let's we will let's make a little garlic butter for some of them. And so that had this garlic butter. This has to be plain butter. And maybe a little salt on these. Just because. Okay. I'm excited. These look good. Okay, all set. 350. We'll set up to make some eggs, a little bacon. Okay, bacon in here, so don't even need the butter, but it'll add some flavor.
Anybody with allergies will be like me. Ooh, it's alive. Yeah, this is like the smallest pan for this induction cooktop. Gets a little excited sometimes. Don't quite love the size of this pan. Not where I'd like them to angle, but it's what I got, so gotta adapt.
It's rendering out nicely. Timing should be good for the rolls coming out of the oven.
Good stuff. We'll use that in some cooking later.
Turn that off. Bacon's all ready. Eggs are set. Okay, it's about to get exciting. Time to get the rolls, make the eggs. Okay, here we go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see what we got. Are they done? They sound done. I'm gonna leave them in for a couple more minutes, get a little bit more brown. But I'm gonna turn this off. In the meanwhile, let's make some eggs.
Okay.
Give me some sizzle. Bacon. Nothing like Sunday morning bacon. Why, I don't know. Okay, I need to get the eggs in so I can get those buns out. Don't need too much salt because we got that bacon saltiness. But pepper will be a good thing. masks. We'll rig those up later if we need to go out. All right. Can't tell which side is which. Whoa! That came out pretty quick. Oh, those look nice. Yeasty. Oh, these have more salt on them, so I'm guessing these are the garlic buttery ones. So what I'll do is take the last of this garlic butter, a little bacon, That's good. There we go. That's a flip. Okay, this has all the bacon this side, so definitely no salt, but we'll put some pepper on. Got plenty of pepper. Like that. Let's make more of this. It's the regular butter. Okay. Beauty. Eggs over medium, bacon, rolls. My fancy pie tins. Oh yeah. Here we go. All right, time to enjoy Sunday brunch. Signing off from my kitchen. Great seeing you as always. Well, actually, wish I could see you, but for now, this will do.